Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahruman Al Mahmood, metric number 827476. Today I'm going to present artificial intelligence in education sector, and this presentation is prepared for Dr. Zuhaid Abu Bakr. First of all, I'm going to discuss the introduction. What is AID? AID is known as artificial intelligence in education. The adoption of AI application in education is making huge impact in education sector. Uh, this AI application making everything easy for the tutors and the students, and uh, they are providing some extraordinary support to the students and instructors. Also, they are providing some intelligence system which is helpful for in education, which is helpful in education sector. How aid improve? Our next question is how aid improve in education sector. Adaptation of AI application in education making a huge impact in education nowadays. The latest innovation allow developers to teach a computer to do lot of complicated tasks. Innovation of AI like PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, online learning, then plagiarism checker, a lot of things are the example of AI application. It leads to the opportunity to improve the learning process. AI can drive efficiency, personalize and streamline admin tasks to allow teachers thus time and freedom to provide understanding and adaptability. By leveraging the best attitude of machine and users, the vision of our AI in education is one way where they work together for the best outcome for the users. AI AI in education is being felt, and traditional method are changing drastically. The academic world is become more convenient and personalized thanks to numerous application of AI in education. This has changed the way people learn since education materials have become accessible to all through smart device and computer. Today, in this COVID-19 era, students don't like to attend physical classes and physical activities, but AI is helping us to by allowing that automation of administrative tasks, allowing institution to minimize the time requirement required to complete difficult tasks, so that the educators can spend more time with the students. And all of this is happening because of AI. Next question is what is intelligent tutoring system? An intelligent tutoring system is a software that aims to provide immediate and customized instruction or feedback to the learners. According to the according to the some researchers, uh, IT intelligent tutorial system is generally aimed to facilitates learning in the evocate and efficient way by using diversity of computer technologies. And an intelligent system can observe student behavior and create quality representation of students cognitive and affective knowledge. Okay, next is problem. By researching a lot of journal papers and a lot of things in Google, I found one of the most major problem in education system, this current education system, which is cheating in online assessment and also online exam. Students like to cheat in in various way. There are various kind of AI application in this world, which help student and teachers to protect or to detect this cheating. Sometimes it is very hard for any instructor or lecturers to detect the cheating, and most of the time they cannot detect, especially in this COVID-19 era where everything is online, and it's very hard for lecturer to monitor the student for their online assessment and also the online exam, especially the country who don't implement AI technologies in their education systems, like they like the countries like developing countries, they don't use the AI technologies in their education system, and they are facing a lot of problems by using this, because by using AI technologies it can be solved, this problem can be solved, which we will discuss, I will discuss later. So the next step, his next part is solution. So according to the according to the researcher, these three approaches or technique is the best to solve this problem. First is lockdown application. Lockdown application is generally used for e-exam, where instructor already instructor can lock down the all application of the computer, which one is student or the users want to use and to give their exam, and instructor can monitor everything in that computer. Next one is BWAT approach. This one is also for uh, uh, e-exam. Instructor also can detect that student is cheating in or not, cheating in exam or not. One of the benefit of BOD approach is use of the student personal and thus well known device. And second main benefit is it is for taking exam. And last is Tesla. This is one technique used for to detect detect the problem cheating in online assessment. There are a lot of universities though they use this Tesla technique to detect this to detect the assessment which have any plagiarism or not, or copied from other or not. This Tesla technique is very helpful. Okay, so next is technique. There are some technique have been used in various research, but here I find the most popular and most used technique in various research. First one is machine learning technique, and for machine learning technique had three approaches, which is like deep neural networks, super vector machines, and last one is random forest, and other one is situ technique and posteriori technique. These three techniques are used mostly to get the solution. So my next slide is related work. So here I find four most related paper with my research, and which is like AI technologies for cheating detection in education sector, and they suggest that and they conclude that AI technology in education sector can be helpful for cheating detection in online exam and online assessment. So my last slide here, conclusion and future work. AI application. So at last we can say that AI application is the best solution for cheating detection in online